points represent a location in space and can have names. If we look at the following image, we have an island represented by point B and a boat anchored at the port and located at point A. If the boat starts sailing in a straight path towards the island, and we want to draw this path on the image, we can do that by filling as many points as we can between A and B. We call this resulting shape a line segment. It is a straight path between 2 points in space. Another way to draw this line segment is by using a ruler and a pencil to connect between these 2 points. Here we have a line segment that connects between the 2 points A and B.
All right, now please use your pencil or your pen, the ruler, to draw a line segment of 6 centimeters long. Again, use your ruler, use your pencil to draw a line segment like you see here of 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters long. Then show me it. Then after that, you have to write line segment, line segment. Show me it in the camera, please. If you're done, 6 centimeters. Use your ruler from 0 to 6. Then write line segment. Abdul Mohsen, have you done? Perfect. This is AB line segment of 6 centimeters. Write down 6 centimeters. Write down 6 centimeters. Abdul Mohsen. Write 6 centimeters under this line. Mu'taz, have you done? Show me it in the camera. 6 centimeters long. Thanks, Mu'taz. Thanks, Mohsen. Yusuf Hazim, exactly. So please write line segment. Line segment. Line segment. What? Abdullah, done? Perfect. Where are the others? Yusuf Ouda, Ammar, exactly. Thanks. 6 centimeters. This is AB. Okay, thanks, Abdullah. Yusuf Hazim, I see yours. Okay. I saw yours. Okay, thank you. Ahmed Walid, Muhammad Sultan, go and bring up a paper, pencil, and a ruler to draw a line segment like that. Ahmed Walid, done? Show me yet. Please.
Mister, I'm not done yet.
It's easy.
I know, because it...
Don't waste your time to do. Ahmed Mahjoub, done?
Teacher, I don't have a ruler.
You don't have a ruler? Any ruler?
Yes, I don't have it.
The next time you have to bring it with you.
I have, but I
Okay,
I don't know where is my...
so again. Abdul Mohsen, let me ask you a question. For the line segment, do we have start point and end point?
Yes.
We have start point like A here.
The A is the beginning and B is the...
At the end. Or we can say B is the beginning and A at the end.
They're all the same.
Thanks,
But
Yusuf Ouda. We need 6 centimeters long, Yusuf. Is this 6? Yusuf Ouda? Is this 6? From 0 to 6? Okay. So now listen again. We have another thing called ray. Ray. What is ray? So first of all, line segment is the segment has start point and end point. We can measure it by using a ruler.
If we have another 2 points, C and D, and we connect between them, we will have another line segment. To distinguish between the 2 line segments, we give them names based on their endpoints. So we can call the first one AB. This is read as line segment AB. Or we can call it BA.
So we can write it like AB, and in the top we would put this line that stands for line segment, or BA, and above it BA like that, line segment like that.
Bar over the letters indicates it is a line segment. And the second line segment can be called line segment CD. And we can also call it line segment DC. Let's go back to our image. What if there was a
Now look, we're gonna learn about ray. What is ray? Ray is different from the line segment. Listen carefully.
lighthouse on the port? Obviously, the light from this lighthouse will move in a straight path passing through point B. Can we tell where this light stops? As you know, the light will keep on going. So to represent
The light will keep on going without stopping. Will keep on forever. So the ray has start point, but has no end point.
Okay, Mister.
Present
But how
this.
are we supposed to do this in the paper?
Without ruler, we can find it by using a ruler.
No, Mister. But because it has no ending, we need to go out.
Yeah,
we need to
so
go out of the paper
and forever. So we can
for
indicate it.
infinity.
Yeah, we can indicate it by a simple symbol. I'm gonna tell you about it now, Mohsen. Listen.
and as we
Even
get
if we
to line
control
segment,
our
we can use our ruler and a pencil to connect between endpoint A and passing through B, but not stopping there.
Look, Abdul Mohsen. Abdul Mohsen. You can see this. You can see this ray.
yes.
This indicates no end. So if you put this symbol, I will understand that this is ray. This is ray.
So
There is
can
no
I try
end.
to do array?
Yeah, we can do ray now.
And at some point after, we put an arrow to indicate that the light keeps going.
Boys, now I want to see ray in your paper. I want to see ray. I want to see ray now, like that, like what you see now on my screen. Ray. Please. So the first one is line segment, has start point and has
Mister,
end point. For the ray, we have start point, but there is no end. It will keep on going forever. There is no end. Yes, Mohsen, I can't see yours. Yeah, please write ray. Mu'taz. Make it closer to the screen. Okay, thank you. Muhammad Sultan. Okay, thank you. Write ray, please, Muhammad. Ammar. Thank you. Right, Ray. You wrote it. Thank you. Ahmed. The same. Thank you. Perfect. Ahmed Wali, thank you. Danny, Jamal, Ahmed, Manaf, Yusuf, Hazim, Faisal, Ahmed, Samir, Abdullah. Where's yours, boys? Thank you, Yusuf. Manaf, where's yours? Where's the ray? So Abdullah. Abdullah, in the ray, do we have start point?
no,
We don't have start point?
we do.
Do we have end point for the ray?
Yes.
We have end point for the ray?
No.
There is no end. Look again. Listen. This is the start point. Then this ray will go for this side forever, without end, without end, without. Okay?
Okay.
So it has start point, but no end point, Like the light from the lighthouse, from the minaret. You saw the minaret in my video?
Yes.
So
Yes.
again, what is the difference between the line segment and the ray? Let me draw a line segment for you. This is a line segment. The line segment has start point.
And no endpoint.
Listen. And end point. This is line segment. Line segment. But this one is ray. Has start point, which is A, or any letter like C, D, anything, and has no end point. So this ray indicates no end. No end. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
We call this a ray, and we name it ray AB. The arrow over the two letters indicates it is a ray, and the arrow's direction indicates that A is the end point where the ray starts.
So we can't use a ruler to find the lengths because there is no lengths for the ray, because it will go forever. So there is no measurement, there is no lengths for this ray. But we can use a ruler to find the length of a line segment.
Let's take another look at our image. If we want to represent the horizon in this image, how can we do that? As you know, the horizon doesn't have a beginning or an end. It keeps going in both directions. So to draw it, let's first imagine that we have 2 points, C and D, located on the horizon. If we connect between them, we get a line segment. But the horizon keeps going in both directions. So we draw an arrow before point C and another arrow after point D.
Now you can see another thing called straight line. For the straight line, there is no end and there is no start. There is no end and there is no start. You can see it now. So please write it, draw it in your paper. I want to see it. This is a line segment. A line segment without measurement. Abdul Mohsen, Yusuf, Oda, boys, where is your line, straight line like that? I want to see straight line. Perfect, Muhammad Sultan. Muhammad, the last one, you have to put 2 rays from the 2 sides. 2 rays. Mu'taz, show me the last one. You have to put ray from the 2 sides, Mu'taz, because this one is straight line. Mohsen, where's yours? Point it with your hand. Okay, thank you. Yusuf Oda, okay, but there is no ruler with you. Yusuf Hazim, okay, this is called what?
Ray.
No, straight line. The last one is called straight line.
Okay.
Straight line, again, say it. Thank you, Ammar.
Straight line.
So for the straight line, do we have end point and start point?
Yes.
No, we don't have start or end. We don't have start or end. Let me show you it again. Listen, Yusuf. I know that you are confused. Look, boys. Don't worry, Yusuf. I'm gonna explain it again. Okay? Yusuf? Okay. The first one here. Okay, Yusuf, open your mic. What you can see
Okay.
here,
A line.
a line. This is called line segment. We can find
Line.
its lengths by using a ruler. For example, this is the starting point A, and this is the end point. For example, on my ruler, it's about 7 centimeters. Okay.
Okay.
The second thing, look. This one is called ray. Ray. We have start point. We have start point. Let me say it, or call it M. But we don't have end point. So this one is ray.
So it will continue.
We have start point, but no end point. No end point. We'll go
When
forever. But this
when
one
that's-
is line segment. Line segment. Again, line
segment and
line
ray.
segment and ray. The last one down, look. It's open from the two sides. This is called straight line. Straight.
Line.
Do we have start point?
No.
Do we have end point?
No.
No. So it's open from the two sides, like horizon in my video.
Straight line.
Or it's like a laser open from the two sides. Did you play with laser before?
No.
This is laser. In ray?
It's even laser a toy.
Yeah. We can use it for many things. So what is the first one? Line segment.
Line segment.
The second
one, ray
So here we have start
and end.
and end.
The first one starts and end,
Here start,
and this is
but
the end.
no end. Here no start, no end.
First one, line segment.
So
it has
the
start and
only one that we can find its lengths by using a ruler, the line segment. Only the line segment.
line segment. It has
Yeah.
start and end. Ray has start.
Now you understand them?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Is that no end in ray? Is that no end or end end?
No end. You can see it. No
Oh.
end.
Oh, I thought that was a D. D. And straight line is no start.
Also,
no end.
you need to see this video again.
Okay.
To show that this straight path doesn't end. We call this resulting shape a line. It's similar to line segment in that a line is a straight path of points, but it doesn't stop
But
on both
Mr. Mahmoud,
and keeps going.
Yes, Yusuf.
but look, the D and C they have a little circle above them. Is it still a straight line?
You mean C and D?
Yes.
C
Why
and D,
they-
just points. We can put a lot of points on this straight line. This is a good question, Yusuf. Look. So this is C, this is M, this is N, this is anything. How many points are many points on this line, straight line, but there is no end for the points from the two sides.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes.
Yes, Mohsen.
Yes, mister.
Thanks, Ahmed. You have a question?
No, thanks.
Okay. So Yusuf said, Mister, we can see 2 points on this straight line. If that means the straight line has a length, we can find its length by using a ruler? No. I said we can put a lot of points on this straight line. You know, it's infinite. I mean by that, a lot of points on this straight line.
We call it line CD. And we can also call it line DC. The two arrowheads indicate that this is a line which passes through C and D, but goes on forever in both directions.
Okay, now put your pen. Put your pen. We said we have three things. The first one is straight line. The first one is straight line. You can see it now. I'm sorry. The first one is line segment. Line segment. Yes, Manef, you have a question?
Mister, I didn't understand so much the line segment and the ray and the.
Okay, again.
Mister, the screen is small and blurry.
Now, is it small and blurry?
Yeah, no, it's good.
Okay, look, Manef.
Look.
Do you have a ruler?
Yes.
Find the length of this segment. My segment. Use a ruler to find the length of this one. Can you?
It's 11.
11 centimeters, right?
Yeah, right.
11 centimeters. This one is called line segment. Line segment. Okay.
There is Mister, there is start and end.
Yeah, start. Put any letter here, any letter from your mind.
Any letter.
Yeah.
D, C,
D.
B.
Anything. Say anything, but one, only one.
Yeah, only one.
D, for example.
D.
This is the start point. The end point must be for another letter like D, L. Okay. So this line segment of 11 centimeters long. Okay. The second one. Look.
Like there is the start and end.
Start and end for the first one, line segment. But look at the second one, the second. We have here start point, which is, for example, A. Okay.
Yeah.
This is starting point, but look, we are going to go here forever, because we find this ray. This is called ray, Manef, ray.
Yeah, right.
Can we find its length by a ruler?
Yes.
Can we find its length? It will go forever.
No.
We can't. So we can indicate it by A and any letter here, any letter. A, B. So this is ray, and we can write it like A, B, and put this sign above it. AB. The third one.
Have start at the start and
There is no end.
The end? No, not in the line segment.
Yeah.
No, it's back.
That's right. The last one called straight line. Straight line. There is no end. There is no start. There is no start and there is no end. This called straight line. Straight. The word straight means it will go forever. Straight line. We can indicate by two letters like MN. MN. Also, we can find a lot of points on this straight line, Manef. But just use two letters to name it, MN, and put this sign. The sign means straight line. Manaf, you understand?
Yeah, now I understand. Wow,
Okay.
it's so easy.
So easy. Okay, now listen to another thing called angle. What is angle? What is angle? Muhammad Sultan, you understand this one? Mu'taz, you understand?
Yes, Mister, I understand. It is so easy. This.
Mister, I understand it so much.
Hey, Mister.
Because when I put the video,
Okay.
it's about. I just want to learn about the angles. This is
Okay.
the thing that I really
Okay.
want to learn.
But I want to make sure that all of you understand this point. Yes, Muhammad?
Mister, I want to tell you 2 questions.
Yeah.
The first one, this one is so easy and it's funny when you do this. And
Yes, I know. I know. Boys, if you have any problem now, let me know. Let me know if you don't understand.
Mister, can you
Today
Huh?
No,
Mister,
thank you, Mr. Mahmoud. No, thank you.
Okay. So let's move to the next point. Let's move to the next point. Sorry, Muhammad, I'm going to listen from you again. But now we're going to see what is angle. What is angle? Listen again. Angle, angle.
Hello friends, welcome to a new happy learning video. Look at these images. Do you know what we're looking at? Exactly, they are angles. And today we are going to learn many things about them. An angle is a space between 2 intersecting lines or surfaces that emerge from the same point called vertex. If you look around, we are surrounded by angles, like the ones this clock handles. Or an ice cream cone makes. The unit of measure of the angles is the degree. And the most important angle of all is this one. It's called a right angle and it measures 90 degrees. The tiny 0 you can see in the right upper part of the number 90 is a symbol that represents all angles. We say that a right angle is the most important one because it is the one that is used to compare all of the other angles. The angles that are smaller than a right angle are called acute angles, and they measure less than 90 degrees, like all of these. And the angles that are bigger than a right angle are called obtuse angles and measure more than 90 degrees, like all of these. To know the degrees that an angle measures, we need to use this instrument, which is called a protractor. So, we need to place the straight part of the protractor over one of the sides of the angle, making the vertex.
Okay, to understand what is angle, let's imagine we have a land, we have earth, we have a ground, and we have a column on it. Or a tree. Listen. Here we have a ground and a tree. Let's imagine this one is tree. Let me do it with green color to understand it. I think I have a problem. Let me fix it.
And the center
All right. Look, Yusuf Oda, is my screen clear?
No, not anymore. It was.
Worth.
It was the first 5 seconds or 1 second.
Now.
Yeah.
Okay. I have a ground and a tree. Look. So now we can see an angle. We can see an angle. This is a ground with the tree. The ground with the tree. We can see it. This is called right angle, right?
Angle.
Right angle. Right angle. So the right angle is like the shape. This is right angle.
I'm writing everything down.
Yeah.
Look.
Another one. This is right angle. Like a ground and a tree. A ground and a tree. A ground and a tree. This is tree. So this is called right angle. The ground with the tree is right angle. So you have to write to find that the tree stands up like that. If you use something called protractor to find the measurement of this angle, it's 90. Put it in your mind. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. The second type, we have a ground, but this time the tree is not like the previous case. The tree will be different. Look, the tree will go in a slope like that.
Oh.
This is called acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle.
Okay.
The last case, the ground like that. But the tree this time will go in this side. So it will called
Completely the opposite.
obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So again. The first one is right angle. Right angle. Muhammad Sultan. What is the first kind? Right
Angle.
Right angle. The second.
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
What?
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Acute angle.
The third one.
Obtuse.
Obtuse angle.
Acute angle. Acute.
Obtuse angle. Ahmed Sharif.
Yeah,
What is the first kind of angles?
right angle,
Right angle. The second.
acute angle,
The third.
obtuse angle,
Ammar. What is the first one?
Is the obtuse.
Right angle,
Right angle is like that. And what is its measurement? 90.
90 degrees.
What do you think about acute angle? Is it more than 90 or less than 90?
Less.
Less than 90. What do you think about obtuse angle? More than or less than 90?
More than.
More than 90. That's right. Now you can find that we have easy homework. If you face any problem, you can tell me.
Mister, I write it notes. I'm happy about that.
That's perfect. Thank you very much, my dear little friends, and see you later.
Mister,
Bye-bye.
But how should we-
B,
Mister, how should we know, like,